Philippine National Police Chief General Nicolas Torre III orders the dismissal of a police in Lucena City after he had gone wild and fired shots in front of a sari-sari store. As Ryan Lasigas reports.
Saan yung kasama nun? Di ko saan kilala nandun po eh. Sige ka!
Early Saturday morning, a CCTV camera caught this man causing a disturbance in front of a store in Lucena City, Quezon. He appeared to be looking for someone while pointing a gun at a man inside the store. He also issued multiple threats. He kicked the store repeatedly.
Hoy! Ulo ka. Hoy! Huwag kang magtakot.
But he wasn't done yet because after the rampage, he fired his gun.
Dito to lang po, nandyan yung babae lang nandyan, pero wala po yung lalaki dito nag-ano sa inyo.
The man in the video turned out to be a policeman. The suspect was identified as Patrolman Rodolfo Avila Madlang-Awa, a police officer assigned to Lopez, Quezon. He was reportedly drunk and initially came to buy ice, but then another man arrived to buy cigarettes, whom the officer suddenly pointed a gun at. Two more customers arrived and were also threatened by the policeman, so the store owner let them inside for safety. PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III apparently did not like the officer's arrogance. He immediately ordered the officer's removal from the service.
Ang gusto po ng ating Chief PNP ay i-subject po siya sa summary dismissal proceeding para mas mabilis po yung gagawing pag-dismiss po sa kanya sa serbisyo po.
According to PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the policeman has been disarmed and is now in detention. Apart from administrative charges, the officer will also face multiple criminal cases. These include grave threat, unjust vexation, physical injury, and illegal discharge of firearms.
Simple lang po, ma'am. Mao ito, nalasing. Hindi kayang kontrolin yung sarili niya nung mag-inom siya. Simpleng lasing lang ang pulis po. Kaya this is really unforgivable, sabi nga ng ating GPNP. At yung mga ganitong klaseng pulis ay hindi dapat tumagal sa serbisyo po.
Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines. Kamkrame.